All right, guys, guess what? Tomorrow is Mrs. Moore's birthday, and I want us to celebrate her by creating some slides that I will take and put all together in a nice little presentation, and I will give it to her. So, on the next slide, you are going to create your own birthday card for her. I've already started mine with this cute pink happy birthday, Mrs. Moore. And I'm going to insert an image. You can either take a picture of yourself if you want, like just to have a selfie holding a sign or something, or you can search the web. And I am going to search for birthday. We'll just type birthday and see what they give us. These are nice. Let's see. She loves cats, so we'll do birthday cat. I don't know which one to pick. So I'm just gonna. Last year for Christmas, her door decoration was the grumpy cat. So I'm going to do the grumpy cat, and I'm going to have to resize it. So there's a grumpy cat. So you can decorate your slide with whatever you want. You're going to make it personal. You can add some math stuff on there. Whatever you think she would like. Since she's helping you guys with all of your math, we're going to add these kids over here with their math problems. And we're going to shrink that down. And again, you could just add whatever you want. You can add a personal text. You are amazing. And you can change the font here. You can change the size of the words here. The color of the text. So you can mess around with all of these different features up here. Added pictures. And then once you are done, you're going to submit this assignment. And then I will take your slide and add it together with everyone else's. If you have any questions and you're not sure how to do this, please let me know. We want to have this done by the end of the day today so I can give it to her on her birthday tomorrow.